Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is LaMonica. If you are new, as you can tell, the energy is up, okay? And we're not even starting in the video. But I'm so excited because we're going to be talking about all these makeup launches. There are so many that I can't even keep up. But I'm so excited because we are back in that era of makeup being fun again. Out of all the new makeup launches and things that are already out, what is it that you have in your cart and all that stuff? That's what we're going to talk about. Before we jump in, I am going to go ahead and open up this cookies and cream flavored latte. I love this flavor. This is the Bones Coffee Company. Shout out to them. So we're going to go ahead and grab our drinks, grab a snack, because the brand said we are here and we are bringing out the heat. So, so smooth. So smooth. You don't taste the espresso, but she definitely gives a lot of energy. Packs a punch. Okay. I'm not going in any particular order. I am looking at my phone to kind of go through what I screenshot. And I did get all of these pictures from Trendmood. Shout out to Trendmood for letting the girls know what's coming out, getting us excited even more for this time of the season. So I may start off with affordable. I may just go back and forth. We'll just start off with my first picture I have. Now, when I saw this, I got so excited. I'm not even gonna lie, because I love the packaging of this, and I unfortunately did not pick up the blush, but it is on my wish list for the next Sephora sale. But this is the YSL Beauty Skin Affair Soft Glow Cushion Foundation. I think the brands are just coming out with these cushion foundations because they say, listen, Korean beauty is doing a great job, but we can do something as well, right? We got YSL that's doing that. Also, Make a Revolution just came out with one. YSL logo being gold. I love gold over here. So I am so intrigued to see how this is going to perform on the skin for normal to dry skin, and even for my oily girls. I can't wait to see reviews on that. And also the shade range. I want to see what it's going to do. And then also for 30 plus skin. I have never tried a cushion foundation anyway. Just let me know down below if you're interested in the YSL cushion foundation as well. The next thing I have on my list are the new shades of Rare Beauty Brow Gel. You guys know I talk about the brow gel all the time. The clear one, hands down, I've gone through about 10 of those things. So this new Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting and Laminated Eyebrow Gel, it comes in different shades. So we have soft blonde, rich, warm brown, taupe, cool brown, deep brown, soft black, so forth and so on. And I'm so excited to see what the tint will actually give, because the clear one performs so well that if you don't have a lot of hair on your brows, I think these tinted ones could be nice and just give a fuller brow hair stroke type of deal without having to use a pencil, powder, or pomade. So intrigued to try that for sure, because I love that gel down. The clear one down, I buy it all the time. This next one, I haven't tried the luxe version of this, but I believe that this is a dupe version of this. And let me tell you something about this brand. e.l.f. said, we are not here to play, we are here to stay. They have come out with so many products, and I'm so here for it. I'm so here for it. And I have a lot of these in my Ulta cart as we speak. So this is the new Set It Bright Powder Quad. And so of course there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's about 6 different options for, depending on your skin tone, but they have 4 different colors. I think it's a dupe to the Givenchy setting powder, but I haven't, like I said, I haven't tried that one yet to consider this being a dupe, but it looks like it was that. And there's also other brands that have some colorful quad setting powders that have come out. We have Morphe that just recently dropped one, as well as Hard Candy, which is affordable as well. Now, I am interested in the e.l.f. I love e.l.f. down. Nevertheless, the brands are dropping these quads. They say you don't need to spend your money on Givenchy. We have you right here as well for that. So I cannot wait to try this out. e.l.f. also said, listen, we're not stopping. We're not stopping there, because you guys love a cream bronzer. You guys love a cream blush. We're gonna drop bronzer and blush sticks. When they dropped these, I almost lost it when I was working. I said, wait, I have to get my hands on these. So these are definitely in my cart. Let me tell you something, y'all are eating these up already, because like 2 of the shades are sold out and on Ulta's website. But luckily right now, that mauve shade is still there. I love a good mauve and a good orange. So the mauve is there, and I can't wait to try the bronzer stick. I have seen a couple of reviews on these, but I want to test them out for myself and share with you guys, right? I want to share with my girls. So definitely interested in these. These are the Flush and Color and Sculpted Glowing Complexion Sticks. Okay, this next one, Natasha Denona will give a nice palette every time. But I do feel like a lot of them are pretty much the same type of tones. Warms, cools, shimmers, and things like that. But this one is beautiful. It's the perfect like, ooh, browns and chocolates, golds, rose golds, and things like that. This is the new tan eyeshadow palette, which is perfect for the summer, right? We love to look bronzy, glowy, shimmery, you know, just sparkly, right? I think this is a perfect palette if you don't have any colors like this, or if you just want to indulge and invest in quality eyeshadows. Natasha Denona is known for quality eyeshadows to me. Even when you just swatch them, they're so buttery, they glide on easily, they blend really well, and these palettes pretty much last you almost a lifetime unless you're using this particular shadow every single day. You know what I'm saying? So I think that this is a nice palette, but we know that Natasha Denona palettes are pretty pricey, so definitely put it in your cart and just wait to that savings event, girl, or whenever you can get a deal on it. I own one Natasha Denona palette. I think it was an all matte palette, but Safari palette is what it was. I have that one, but I am interested to try, you know, a palette that has more neutral, everyday, medium, cool, and warm tones like this for sure. Okay, the next thing that's probably dropping on the internet every day that we've been seeing is the new Rhode products. Okay, so I have not yet. I'm probably the only girl in the beauty world that have not tried the Rhode Pocket Blushes. It is on my wish list. I just feel like I want to try out the affordable ones first before falling into the hype. Now, I do see that they glide on nicely. The packaging is super easy to pack away in your makeup bag and things like that. But I love a good bronzer, girl, and blush, right? But I'm interested in this bronzer. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I am interested in this bronzer, and I think when I get the bronzer, then that's when I'll go ahead and purchase the blush. The next thing, I thought the packaging was super cute. This is the new NYX SOS Hydrating Lip Mask. The brands have been coming out with lip masks, peptide lip tints, lip gloss, lip balms. It's so many lip products coming out, and even when I talk about the next product, it's just so many lip products. But the packaging on this is super cute. I think it's just so fun, summery, springy, and I think it'll be cute to have in your bag to add to your other lip balms that you probably already have in your bag, girl. And it's affordable. Like, NYX just never miss with packaging. Love NYX for their packaging, their products. They're affordable. Let me know, are you interested in that? Would you try it? I think it's interesting. The colorway that they have seems like there's about 2 or 3 on here that I would be interested in trying. This next product, I actually was shopping on Ulta's website, like just going through the new arrivals, and I saw that ColourPop came out with one as well, and that's new on Ulta's website. This is the SheGlam Creamsicle Eyeshadow Sticks. Do more research on SheGlam, but this is supposed to be a effortless daily matte and glam in a bag. They're creamy, no tug eyeshadow sticks that glide on smoothly. Now, back in the day when your girl used to work at Sephora, I loved the La Mercier. The La Mercier had the cream sticks. This next product, I have not yet tried the primer. That is on my bucket list, but the Maybelline Say Hello to the Grippy Setting Mist. This is the new addition to the Grippy line. It is the Grippy Setting Mist. They have the Grippy Primer, and now they have the Grippy Setting Mist. Similar to what e.l.f. has done with their gripping setting spray. They're doing this as well, Maybelline, and I'm intrigued to see how this will perform on the skin versus that e.l.f. That's the video idea versus the e.l.f. gripping one. And speaking of e.l.f., they've come out with a new setting spray as well that's in my cart. It's a rose version of the grippy setting spray, similar to the pink niacinamide primer versus that gripping turquoise primer. Next up, going back to the lips, we have Fenty Beauty. Fenty has come out with new shades of the Gloss Bomb Stick High Shine Glosses, and these seem to look really, really nice, like nudes, browns, Next, I want to talk about the MAC. MAC has definitely been doing their thing. I've always been a MAC girl. These new Skin Finish Sunstruck bronzers. It's so much makeup coming out, you guys. I cannot. But the packaging on this is like this bronzy rose gold packaging. And it's MAC. Like, who wouldn't want to put a bronzer of MAC in their collection? Bronzing is the thing for this season, it seems. Bronzing, blushing, nude, and glossy eyes. We just want to be glossy and bronzy. And I'm here for it. I'm so here for it. Okay, NARS came out with, or they're coming out, if it's not out already, a new Insoluble liquid blush. I think it's going to come out in a few shades. A lot of them are on the pinkier side, more pinks, more, you know, that baby pink, light pink. It's a different formula because I do have the original NARS liquid blushes that are in the pump version, but these are going to be on a applicator, like kind of like a concealer. So I'm intrigued to see how that will perform, honestly. But the shades are nice pinky colors that I will gravitate towards. So this right here, when I saw an ad or something popped up on Instagram, I literally screamed. If you've been watching my videos for however long, you know that I love Marc Jacobs beauty products. I still have their beauty products to this very day. A lot of the products I've emptied, and I'm sad that they were not coming back. But Marc Jacobs is coming back on the scene, girl. He's coming back on the scene. And the first thing that grabs my attention is the bronzers. The packaging is so cute. It's like this star packaging. The eyeshadows are one pot eyeshadows. They're coming out with lips. There's a setting powder, it looks like. There's some blushes, eyeliners, and then also a mascara. Now, I had the mascara in the past, and I love how it made my lashes very clumpy, very wispy, just very thick and just spider look. I love that look on top and bottom. So hopefully this mascara will do the same. The wand looks similar to the original one, so we shall see. But I'm very interested in the mascara and the bronzer and possibly a blush. The eyeshadows look very good, and so I'm interested in that duochrome one, not the one shade ones, but the duochrome one, just to have in the collection, of course. But yes, Marc Jacobs is coming back, and they're not playing. And lastly, I want to discuss a fragrance, because I know I smell the original one of this, but now there's a new one coming out as well. So this is the new addition to the Khloe Kardashian fragrances. It says say hello to XO Blue. So XO Blue, it'll be available soon, and the blue bottle is so cute. Now that purple one smells amazing, and the white, I think the clear bottle, also smells amazing. So I'm intrigued to see how this blue one is going to smell. I think the packaging is very simple and just minimal, but it packs a punch. The fragrance packs a punch. So I am excited to try that. And that is what I captured from Trend Moods releases, launches of new makeup that I've seen floating around on social media that I am super excited about. As you can tell, I'm smiling throughout this entire video because we are having fun with makeup again, and I'm so here for it. The brands are not stopping, and it just gives us a chance to try high-end, affordable. So it just gives a range, and I love that it's not just one dynamic coming out with makeup products. It's just something for everybody to try, and also compare and contrast if you want to. So I'm so excited about that. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It helps your girl out. And let me know down below if you are purchasing any of these products, if you have them on your wish list, your cart. Let's have a conversation down in the comment section. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.